We have one of my favorite cars right now. I love this car. It's a 1966 Chevelle 300. It's a sleeper with the big poverty wheels on there, but under the hood's a 427, a 4-speed, and it does have upgraded suspension and slotted disc brakes, all sorts of good stuff. And it has factory air conditioning too to keep you comfortable. And the quality off the charts, frame off restoration. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll find the price tag on this one and about 200 other collector cars that are all for sale, and each one will have a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I love that nice, clean sleeper look. You know, I've said it before, they don't all need to be super sports. No fancy striping or badging, just clean. Anyway, laser beam straight. You're going to hear that a lot in the next minute because this is all pristine, better than it left the factory. I am sure of that. Literally red glass, outstanding. And I love how these doors open and close. It is so nice. Absolutely straight. I'm pretty much a nerd about how doors close on cars. These gaps, right on the money, not a ripple, not a crack, not a shrinkage mark, no body work, nothing that I'm finding. All this is beautiful, right down to the very bottom. It's an Arizona rust-free car to begin with. Actually has original bill of sale. It wasn't born a 427, but we have the original paperwork from the car. Driver's door, same thing. Driver's door get a lot more wear, so usually they don't open and close as nicely. Laser straight, gaps are pristine, red glass paint. So you get the point, the body and paint, fit and finish, outstanding. Windshields, crystal clear. Moldings are polished. Oh, that wiped off. Up front here, all the trim, the grille, the bumper, all real nice. No SS, just says Chevelle. All nice and clean. Nice sparkling 427 cross flag emblems. Reproduction antenna. You know, the rubber, the vent window frames, they're actually mint. All that's excellent. All this glass is crystal clear. The window seals have been replaced. Door handles new. I'm going to say they replaced the glass. It is crystal clear. The moldings are polished. There's 17-inch wheels. So back then it would have been like a 14-inch steel rim with the poverty cap. So this gives a little modern flair. It's a 17-inch poverty wheel, extra wide in the back. They're wrapped in Nitto tires. So back in the day, if you would have ordered this car, it has a little skinny bias ply with the upgraded suspension and brakes. This thing will handle that motor. You actually go out and have fun. 427 emblem. Notice the lack of trim. This is a base model, a Chevelle 300. It's just a pretty simple tail end, but boy, is it pristine. I mean, it's really, really nice. Let's open it up. I'll show you the rest of it. All right, just as nice inside the trunk. I mean, really, folks, look at this. This is just like red glass. Stickers are new. Jam is just as nice. Weather strip is new. Look how tidy this is. Pristine metal with a very neatly applied spatter finish paint. Red painted rim for a spare. This is the size of the original tire and wheel back in '66 would have been. The jack assemblies underneath there. Of course, a new mat. Oh, this is nice. I appreciate quality. I look at thousands of cars, and when you get one this nice, I really, really appreciate it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. You can see the jambs are just as slick as the car. Latches are clean. Weather strips are new and fit right. Sill plates are shiny. Even up front by the hinges, it's spotless. All new door panels, armrest. All the metal inside is painted slick like the car. All the instrument panel, all restored, all sparkling. It is a factory air-conditioned car, so it has the center vent. The controls, factory radio still in place. It looks so funny without all the SS and shiny trim here. Well, this is shiny, but no chrome trim. Kick panels are mint. It does have some nice Chevelle floor mats. Even the carpets fit real nice. They're nice and clean. Oh, we gotta look at the gauges. This would be like a vintage Stuart Warner gauge cluster. That's what it would have looked like back then. And you have the knee knocker tack. And you can figure out why they call it a knee knocker. Hurst 4-speed on the floor. We got seat belts front and back for everybody. The upholstery is all redone. Seat feels real good. Very tidy and clean. Same thing in back. Carpet, floor mats, upholstery, seat belts, all there. Side panels replaced. All the metals painted real nice. Replaced headliner. Working dome light. Very tidy car. Visors are replaced. Mirror looks new. Has the basic, simple Chevelle steering wheel. Nice. Better than nice. Excellent. So under the hood is a 427s. Actually, they started with a 454 block. It's built, has AFR aluminum heads, aluminum Chevy bow tie intake, big dual feed Holley carburetor hiding underneath there with the factory style fuel lines. Looks like a flamethrower distributor in the back, a billet distributor. And pay attention to all the detail, how nice and clean. This is all part of the factory air conditioning system that's been serviced, updated with R134 Freon. Everything is painted so nicely. Spring clamp battery cables, aluminum radiator. There's a shroud. Alternator looks new. It does have the correct power steering with the remote reservoir. The squirters are hooked up. I think the hose just came off. Here we go. Look at that. I'm a mechanic today. So now the squirters are hooked up. Has a set of hooker coated headers. Has a Willwood master cylinder, dual reservoir master cylinder. Then you look up under the hood, all painted nice and neat. It's a real clean motor compartment. Now Michael's going to go show you what she's got. We'll see you back in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, got a beautiful day here. Let's take this cherry 1966 Chevy Chevelle. This is the Deluxe 300. Little souped up though. Got a super hot 427 under the hood. 4-speed manual trans. I'm really excited about this one. Beautiful restoration. And yeah, it seems to be handling the bumps very nicely on this road. Driving nice. Has air conditioning, does have power steering, front disc brakes. Seems to be a good car all the way around. Handling nicely, steering nicely, stops nice. And yeah, let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to speed, no problem. She's a ripper. I tell you, man, it's got a list of upgrades on there, including like aluminum heads and everything. And that's just a hot little 427. Yeah, great acceleration, as I'm sure you just saw. Amazing car all the way around. Top quality restoration. You're not going to be disappointed with this one. If you'd like to test drive it yourself, by all means, you're more than welcome to visit us in beautiful Volo, Illinois. We're about an hour drive outside of Chicago, about a 30-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport if you need to fly in. you don't have time for all that, of course, you can always just push the buy it now button and we can ship it anywhere in the world. But if you feel like you need another opinion, you are more than welcome also to hire a third-party inspector. They can come out here, give you a complete report if that's what you're looking for. My opinion is it's a remarkable car in exceptional condition, runs and drives wonderfully, and you can have a lot of fun in this one. Upholstery's good on the seats, nice bench up front, keep you nice and close to your sweetheart if you like. It does have the seat belts all the way around if you want to go for a cruise with the whole family too. So excellent car all the way around. Check it out on volocars.com.
So this was a body off-frame restoration. Underneath is just as meticulous. And just for kicks, it comes with the original Protecto plate, the original bill of sale. This piece of paper is from 1966, and the owner's manual. It was sold new at Rudolph Chevrolet in Phoenix, Arizona. So, all the suspension and steering completely rebuilt, new, detailed. Has Hotchkiss upgrades, has coil-over adjustable QA1 shocks, not Hotchkiss. Forget everything I just said. QA1 suspension, coil-over adjustable shocks, fatter sway bar, all of it's new. In the back it has QA1 sway bar, box control arms, some extra tubular supports, and the coil-over adjustable gas shocks. New fuel system, including the tank. The brake system's completely new, has drilled and slotted discs up in the front. Nice sounding fat dual exhaust system with an X pipe in the middle. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless Chevy orange, high torque starter. And then the bell housing, they're aluminum. This one's polished. It's been deburred and polished smooth. I've never seen that. It looks really good. Muncie 4-speed transmission, rebuilt drive shaft, going back to a posi rear end. Floors, frame, all that dry, clean metal, everything's painted, everything's detailed. This is an outstanding car. You want a Chevelle that's different from the others, but still has big block power, 4-speed. This thing will handle with these tires and wheels. It's just the whole package. I would walk straight up to this. I'd walk right past Super Sports to come look at this. This is cool, in my opinion. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your driveway and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.